Yeah, so get the place locked down. No one's gonna ruin the hood. You hear me? No one. All right, see.
What up?
We almost got the hood under control, man. CJ, this is some serious shit, man.
Hey, man, I know, man. I went through a lot of shit for this family since you've been gone, so I know.
What? For yourself, not for the family. Don't get shit confused, nigga.
Man, when you gonna give me a break?
When you stop acting like you the man. You keep yapping on what you done did, let me tell you what I done did. When Kendall needed shoes, I went out and got the money. When Mom's needed an operation, I robbed people for the bread. While you off in Liberty City thinking about your own shit. For 5 years, come on, man. Now you do something you wanna fucking pray? Nigga, please.
That ain't fair, man.
Carl! Man, I need your help.
Man, I'm kinda busy right now with family shit.
I helped you guys, hombre. It's time you help me and my homies. My hood screwed up too. We got this shitty neighborhood on lockdown now.
All right, what you need?
It's time to get my old gang back together. Push out those yay-slanging punks, eh?
I know, but I got a lot going on right here in my own hood, man. And I made my brother a promise.
All your brother wants you to do is pay back your debt, CJ.
All right, I hear you. I got your back. Come on, let's roll.
Orale, the Vario's coming back.
Okay, so what's the plan?
We're gonna meet 3 of my veteranos over at Unity Station.
3? Is that all? All right, I'm gonna get a couple of the family boys to come through, too.
Knocking you out? He's a lope.
Shit's real serious, man. Look at the streets, eh?
Yeah, we better watch ourselves, man.
We don't want to get caught on the baller strip while this shit's going down.
Man, Tenpenny brought the Central to his knees.
Hey, while we're here, I have a question to ask you.
Yeah, what?
Well, it's personal.
Come on, man, we brothers, you and me. You can ask me anything.
Okay, here goes. I want to ask Kendall the question.
What's the problem? Call her, dude. Here, use my phone.
No, Holmes, the question.
What? Oh, shit, you mean pop the question? Well, I'm okay with that. You know, I appreciate you asking about mention and shit, but...
Nah, I know you're cool, Holmes, but it's sweet, man. He's the problem. Can you talk to him?
Sure thing, Caesar. I'll talk to him.
Thanks, CJ. That means a lot to me, Holmes.
Those vagos, man, I'm gonna cut those cacos.
Ráspalo hasta el hueso.
Hey, carnales, what's cracking, Holmes?
Cesar, and you must be CJ. Cesar says you cool, so we cool, Holmes.
Okay, check it out. We're gonna have to work our way through this neighborhood to get to my house. If we stick together, those vagos pendejos won't stand a chance. Watch each other's backs, amigos. Hasta la muerte!
¡Hasta la muerte!
Northside vagos, assholes! Come on, quick, go, go! Keep close!
Look out! What's up, then, bitch?
Keep together! Stay close!
I like to share, too. Thank you.
Keep it tight! That's the last of them. Let's move out. That was the easy bit, eh? Now we're going to the Viper's Nest. This is where it gets tough. Luckily, we have a little surprise up our sleeves. Eh, Sonny?
That's a rocket launcher, man. We'll bring the National Guard down on us.
Look around you, CJ. The whole city is a war zone. Come on, I want to take my house back.
Taser!
Shit, Hazer!
He's pretty bad. Caesar!
Watch it there, more vagos! They're coming over the walls! Behind us!
You know what this is, huh?
Let's fucking finish this!
I'm with you, man. Let's take these punks.
Find a new home, assholes! Vagos on this hood! Burn, Aztecas, burn!
All right, that's the last of them.
How's Hazer?
We need to get him to a hospital.
Hey, I'll take it.
CJ, you done more than enough, Holmes. You should get back to the Grove.
All right, S.A. I'll see you after all this is settled down.
Thanks, CJ, and good luck, my friend.
Give me that. You won't be needing this now.
Me and you, huh?
I'm going in!
SPD, freeze.
I won't shower.
here too, thank you.
All my to Allen.
That's very... Oh, you're too kind. Ah, you so kind. Homies. No more. That's cool. Crazy Peter.
Eat this more than you, I think. You're too kind.